Hey everyone, back today for another review. This is one I got off Kickstarter again, because that's pretty much all I do. And this one is called the Hoverpen 2.0. This is from a company called Shanpo. They are out of China. Let's jump right into the video. Here we are. A Hoverpen 2.0, back and funded on Kickstarter.com. This is Interstellar version. I will post a picture of their first one right up here. And let's just go right into this. Okay, so first off, they made $374,000 Canadian on Kickstarter. Oh, no, that's on Indiegogo. They made $345,000 Canadian on Kickstarter, and they're at just over that at $374,000 on Indiegogo. Retail price is $100 USD, and that's just for their basic one. You can get it in silver, cosmic blue color, and black. That's just their basic one, like this one. And then they have full gold-plated pen with stand, and they actually have one made out of meteorite as well, which they're much more expensive. So you got your pen here. Hopefully my camera will focus for me. And this is the cosmic blue. Very nice. It's very nice and light. And we'll pull out the stand. And then we got an extra refill. And then this thing here is just their welcome letter with their QR code. I think it has a QR code anyway. Anyway, let's get to the good stuff. So you just take it and you put it right in the center. And this part around here is magnetic as well. So this kind of is the stand's magnetic field, which then holds the pen in the center onto the magnet in the center. And you can give it a nice spin. And I'll get a nice video of this too to show you. Give it a spin, and she just spins nicely on there. I'll get a side shot too with my camera and put it in here for you guys. And then another cool thing, it's like a fidget spinner. Well, not fidget spinner, but it's for fidgeting. You put your lid down there, and you take your pen, and you can make it spin. And I'll try to get a side shot of this too. Go too close and it just pops right onto it. It seems to be very well made. I know they had a little bit of issues trying to get this all balanced and everything, and they had to go back to the manufacturer a couple times and had to have redos for the magnetism, and then they had some bubbling on the finishes, so they had to go back and redo that too. But it's not a big deal. They turned out nice. All in all, I'm really enjoying it. They also put this little thing in here too, which they're called a Saturn token, which is little representation of Saturn, which is magnetic. So you can take it and place it wherever you want. Place it right on there if you want. I don't know where I'm going to put it exactly. They do have a base plate too that is a darkened glass that has a little thing for a card holder and whatnot, which I didn't opt in for because I didn't really need it. But I will also put a picture of that up for you too, right here, to show the base plate if you want to get it. What else can I say? Has good packaging, very nice packaging, which is also magnetic closure on it. Oh, that popped out. What else can I say about it? It's a cool pen. I'm sure I'll use it a lot. It does write very nicely. Let's see if I can find something here to write with. Writes fast. I didn't have to do anything to get the ink going when I first got it, so that was good. I'm sure for the size of the ink cartridge anyway, I'm sure I will be running out quite fast because I do write quite a bit. They are just little inserts, so I'm sure they'll be easy to find on Amazon. All in all, I like it very much, and I'll be backing another one if they make another one, or maybe I'll even upgrade myself and get myself a meteorite one at one time here. Oh, I forgot the lid. That's one thing I'm kind of iffy on, is like, where do I place this lid when I'm not using it? I guess I could on there. I guess you could stick it on the end, but it's a little loud. Anyway, this has been my review on Shanpo's Hoverpen 2.0 Interstellar Edition. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content in the future. Like I say, this summer will be a little bit slower because of COVID and everything, and running low on funds for doing reviews, but I'm going to keep at it, and hopefully this next winter I'll have a lot more to do. But I'm going to try to do at least one review a week, maybe two if I have time. But anyway, thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. I will be leaving the links for their Kickstarter and their Indiegogo. Other than that, thank you very much. Have a great day. See you in the next video.